So today I'm going to be making these weird, wonderful, super nerd cookies. You're going to really love them. And it's a sugar cookie base, simple and easy to make for everyone. And I make a sugar cookie base every Christmas. Simplest recipe, put it all in the description below anyway for you guys to make. And these awesome nerds. Love these. All right, let's get to it. So first off, I actually need to turn the oven on and 190 degrees. So I'll preheat the oven and now we'll get started. So first off, we need 150 grams of salted butter, softened. Helps if I turn it on. There we go. Now I've got to add 3/4 cup of sugar. Pop that in. Sugar. Plus a teaspoon of baking powder. And mix it all together. Now that that's all nicely mixed in, we add 1 egg. And mix that in. Now I've got to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Add that in, just on the side. And mix that in. It's getting a very creamy consistency now. Now just as we're going along, I'm just going to scrape around the edges, make sure everything's mixed in well. Alright, that's looking good now. Now I'll add some flour. So I've got 2 cups of flour. I won't add all of it all at once. I'll probably just add 1 cup at a time. Okay. Do it slowly, otherwise we're going to get a puff of flour everywhere. The rest of it I will mix in by hand with a wooden spoon. It doesn't put too much pressure on the mixer because it does get quite thick. Last cup of flour. Now I'll mix this in gradually. Alright, time to use your hands. Alright. Nice sugar cookie dough. Now comes the fun part. Yes! Alright, nerds, here we go. So we've got grape and strawberry flavour. Here goes nothing. Alright, oh, gosh, they smell good. Right, let's mix these in. Definitely the second packet needed. This is going to be the best super nerd cookie ever. That is done. Oh, can't leave those ones behind. They're all falling. There's a few falling out. Can't leave them behind. That's okay. It's all right. We can still stick them back in. All right, look at this. Look at that. Yum. Let's roll it out and cut out some cookies. Yeah. We do need to add a little bit of flour. Just a touch of flour. Just to stop it from sticking. A bit of flour on the rolling pin as well. This will just prevent all the sticking. All right, let's roll this out. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too thin either. So I usually roll it out to about maybe 1/2 centimeter. All right, look at all that goodness. All right, cookie cutter. Gonna make some giant one, and I've got a small one as well. A couple small ones. Now I've got a baking tray already ready, lined. Baking tray already ready, lined with baking paper. Cool. Cut out another one of these small ones. And then I'll try and get this large one off. Peel away. Pop it back in for the moment. Let's see. Will he survive without breaking a leg? Ah, we've survived. Okay. Pop him on the tray. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to make a few more and then I'll pop it in the oven. Now we still have just enough flour on here, just enough. So the next one we'll probably have to put more flour on. And there's just enough on the rolling pin for now. You don't want to overdo it. All right, let's double check. Make sure it's not too thick and not too thin. Perfect. All right. Probably only get one giant one and one small one out of this one. Yep. No broken legs. Yay. All right. No broken legs on this one either, please. Whoa. Whoa. Wants to be stuck. That's all right. It's fine. It's fine. It's still fine. All right, make sure I lifted them there. So we did actually need just that little bit more without breaking a head or a leg. Can we do it? Is he gonna survive? Yes, he survived. All right, let's get him on the tray before he breaks. Woo. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven now for 7 to 8 minutes. They don't take very long at all. And and we'll wait and see what they look like. These amazing biscuits are now ready, so I'm going to get them out of the oven. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. I've already turned off the oven. And just look at them. Yum! These smell absolutely amazing. So sweet and has that slight sour to them as well. Like the nerds, the flavor of the nerds. If you haven't had them before, it's like a sweety, soury taste. These smell amazing, absolutely amazing. Looking forward to trying one. They're just a bit hot at the moment. Okay, so they're nicely cooled down now. I won't eat the big ones, I'll keep them for my kids. But look at all that melted candy deliciousness. All right, here goes. Amazing, the flavor has just gone through this biscuit completely. So good. You've got to give this a go. You are not going to be disappointed. Oh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Thank goodness I've got some more cooking. These are going to be eaten so quickly. You will not be disappointed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All the details will be down in the description on how to make these. And share them with your friends. Share this video with your friends. This is amazing. Love it. Best cookie recipe you'll ever make. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Okay, bye.